G'day, I'm Keppie.
And I'm Benny. And we are two musicians and professional songwriters who have had the privilege of teaching songwriting at various institutions and music colleges around the world.
And basically, we both got a little bit sick and tired of people asking us, how do you teach someone to write a song? It turns out that songwriting is like anything else. You can get better at it.
Inspiration is important, crucial. But what we want to focus on is arming you with tools and techniques so that when lightning strikes, you don't feel unprepared. You don't feel like you'll waste the opportunity. And instead, you'll feel empowered to do some of your best creative work.
If inspiration is like a wave, you still have to paddle out to catch the wave. And this YouTube channel is all about the paddling. Who is this YouTube channel for? It is for you if you are a songwriter and you feel like you've got some lyrics that are maybe a bit cliched, or you have a dozen half-finished songs and you're not quite sure how to finish them.
Or if you know how to write a few chords, but you can't get them into song form very easily.
Or if you only write when inspired, which actually means writing about 3 or 4 songs a year.
Basically, if you're a songwriter and you want to get better at songwriting, this channel is for you. Also, we want to know what burning questions you have about songwriting.
We really want this channel to be for you. We're really interested to know what you're struggling with, what challenges you face, what things you want to know about songwriting or music.
Because whatever you're struggling with, there are millions of people around the world struggling with the same thing. So we want to hear about them, we want to make videos about them and help you wherever we can.
So enjoy the channel. Please get in touch with us. You can leave a comment on any of the videos. We basically read them all and reply to a lot of them. Or you can message us on Facebook or Instagram.
Or if you're interested in joining a community, get access to exclusive content, including live Q&A and feedback sessions, then please join us on Patreon. Link is in the show notes.
We'll see you around.
Happy songwriting.
Bye.
Bye.